Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Ibinget Grace. So for today's vlog, disclaimer lang po guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. So please do your own research. Lahat po ng ating sasabihin dito sa ating vlog ngayon ay ayon po sa ating opinion, research at sa ating experience. Now, ang tanong po, safe nga ba mag-invest sa GFund or G-Invest ng GCash? So, yan po ang pag-uusapan natin. So, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan guys. So, ang tanong nga ba guys, safe nga ba dito sa GFund or G-Invest ng GCash? So, for me, ang opinion po natin is safe po naman for 6 months na naka-lock in or nag-invest po tayo sa GCash or sa G-Invest ay hindi po siya na-hack. Hindi po na-hack ang ating account at wala pong nawalang pera po sa akin. Pero yun nga guys, hindi na po ako naka-invest dito sa GCash or G-Invest ng GCash.
In case naman pong magka-problema dito sa GFund, G-Invest, pwede naman ninyong i-contact ang GCash hotline at customer service nila to resolve any issues or concern po ninyo. Yun nga lang, before ninyong i-contact, punta muna kayo sa GCash Help Center website po nila. Then call the GCash hotline or submit a support ticket if you can find the answer sa inyong issue or problema.
Yun nga lang guys, ang GCash phone at yung chat support po nila ay available lang during regular business hours from Monday to Friday, 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m.
However, pwede naman po kayong makapag-submit ng support ticket or you can only send an email outside of business hours. So, GCash customer support usually takes 24 to 48 hours to respond for our emails or tickets.
So, take note guys, ito lang po ang isaalang-ala natin na ang GCash is no longer accept inquiries and support requests via Facebook and Messenger. So, ang GCash din po, hindi yan humihingi ng inyong password or ng IMPIN po ninyo sa GCash.
Now, kapag nakasend ka na po ng support ticket sa help center page po nila, dyan mo rin i-check ang updates mo. Inform ka din po nila via email when you get an update on your ticket.
So, what if urgent ang inyong concern? You should call directly sa 2882 na number po nila. Or if you are using PLDT, Smart, and other Globe subscribers, you can call them on this telephone number 7730-2882 kapag urgent po naman. Another way to contact them is through email, yung support@gcash.com.
Meron po tayong template kapag mag-i-email po tayo sa kanilang email. So, eto po yung email. I-follow nyo na lang po, i-edit po ninyo.
So, for my final thoughts, kaya guys, I can say po na safe pong mag-invest dito sa G-Funds or G-Invest ng GCash as long as hindi mo po binibigay ang inyong MPIN or your password sa ibang tao. And I recommend kung ikaw ay nag-online selling, mas better na gawa ka po ng dalawang GCash account mo para po yung isa is for cash in or cash out purposes or para sa inyong online selling, while yung isa is for your investment po. Any issues can be resolved as long as alam mo na kung saan ka hihingi ng tulong pag ang issue is pagdating po sa GCash, whether it's through phone, email, or chat, there's support channel na pwedeng mag-assist sa inyo.
Bear in mind lang guys, GCash takes a long time to respond sa mga issues or tanong po ninyo due to the number of cases na hinahandle nila. Tao din po sila. So please be patient and wait. Kung wala pa silang respond after 2 to 3 days, you can raise the issue on their official Twitter account at GCash Official.
So, yan lang po ang ating video for today. Sana po nakatulong ang ating discussion or ang ating video ngayon. So, once again, this is Ibinget Grace saying sharing is caring. Bye! See you!